Hey y'all, here I am in middle of February in the great southern winter. Thought I would stop and put out a quick video because I received an interesting message today. Seymour contacted me and wanted to know if I'd be interested in putting a discount code on my YouTube channel for my viewers, and kind of completely took me by surprise. I think, man, that's great. So it'll save you some money on the augers that you've been questioning me about, like what I'm using. So what you would need to do is to go to SeymourMidwest.com, and the discount code is Tiger Creek 15, and that will save you 15% on that purchase. So I don't know how we could go wrong with that. So let me finish this up so I can get it out and get it uploaded, so maybe y'all can go ahead and start saving some money. Remember, that's SeymourMidwest.com, and it's Tiger Creek 15. As usual, good luck with your projects.